Hello, this is Tiziano at mobileappforbiz.com, and this is our third video in the series. We're building an app for a restaurant, for this restaurant in particular, which has three locations. And what we have done in the previous videos was to, starting from the website, we have uh, laid the foundation for the mobile app and mobile website by building or adding and editing the tabs we have selected. Now in this video I want to start working the content, and so we'll go to step 2. We'll click on step 2 and we'll start entering the information here that we we would like to have in our app. And so here in step 2 we have the tabs, and what we want to do is start from the home location, fill out this information. We are not worrying about the background images for now, because we want to start entering information so you know how to do it. These buttons here called button, direction button, and tell a friend button are if you want them in the to be shown in the app. So I think it's good to have them, and what I want to do is check them and then click update settings, and so your settings have been updated. Now what we want to do is start entering information here. So and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video real quick, enter the information, and get back to you when that's done, so we don't waste time on this. Okay, so what I did, I entered the three locations, and you'll see I entered Garage Bistro, the first location, then fast food français, the second location, and the third location. Here you see the address. This would be La Part, this the third location. So this would be it, La Part Resto. Okay, and what we're going to do is we'll take the name here, and I'll show you how to convert the addresses into a name. So all you want to do is cut and paste the name into the address and then delete the zip code. And this will not affect the latitude and longitude and the GPS uh, location, because we already entered it by entering the address correctly and the zip code, and then clicking on checking on the GPS location lookup. Now if I do this, you will see it will change. See, we have changed the address here to the name of the restaurant, because once you go and look at the app you will see the name instead of the restaurant. Okay, so done with filling out, and in the next video or in the later video I'll show you how to build the images and enter them. What I want to do is this location here, locations, it copies, basically it copies the same information. We don't have to do anything here, because the home, this will take place at the home page. Now in the order, what we want to do here, if the restaurant, you as a restaurant owner would like to have your customers order either to go or dine in or pick up, then you can allow that. And so here we have built in the ordering service that if you actually have subscribed, already subscribed to one of these ordering services, all you need to do, you can pick which one you are a member of, and then just click on edit. And so enter the information, see the menu URL, you enter that, and that will be it. If you do not have one, you can use our custom form, which is included for no extra cost with the app. So if you don't have it, it would be a great way to add it. You can add it in your app, and as well you'll be able to get the web widget, so you can add that ordering menu or ability to your website as well. So I'm going to fill this out with a couple of, what you want to do is let me get back to you can enter the restaurant information here, the currency, the opening times if you want to have them, for each location, and then you can connect with payments. You can connect to PayPal or cash, and you can connect to a printer, so when the order comes in from the app, it gets printed directly to your printer, which is fantastic. But if you do have one of these, so go ahead and just click and enter the information that you need to do. What I'm going to do is fill out this information, stop the video, fill out the information, and get back to you in a second. Okay, so we have added a couple of items, and I used the custom tab, but before I show you that, I actually entered the information here. I entered the name, the cuisine, the admin email. I entered mine right now, and then I decided I want to charge a delivery fee of $5. If the charge is more than 50, then the delivery fee gets deducted, and I'll show you. I just enter. You go into edit, and here is where you enter all that. Okay, in this window here, the name. You decide whether you want to dine in, take out, deliver. You can uncheck it if you don't want it. The currency, delivery radius, delivery fee, free delivery amount, convenience fee if you want one, lead time, 45 minutes, and then here is where you change the time. You can even add another time on Monday if you have two, for example. You have from let's say 7 a.m. to 5, and then you have let's see, I got 6 to 11. So let's do this. Okay, so you can do that and then save changes here. And I disabled the payment PayPal. I could enable it, but I have to enter the information, PayPal information. I decided that there is a tax of 9%, which will be added directly. And we have three locations. So, and this is the confirmation email that one would get upon ordering. Okay, your new order has been placed from mobile app. And so all that is set. I wanted to show you how to add order. You go to edit, since we have decided that we have opted for the custom form because we don't have a service already. So what I want to do, I added two categories, lunch and dinner, and then I added two items in the lunch menu. Okay, and so I want to edit. I go into edit, and what I can do here, I can add a description. I can, so if I want to change the category here, I will select dinner, but right now it's lunch. Price is $8. I can upload a photo. I can make it tax exempt. I can decide if it's a specific time or any open time. Okay, and then I can even put different sizes and different prices and options if there's gluten free or with extra cheese, and you can add prices here. This is where you do it. Okay, and you can leave it blank if there are no extra options. And so I've done this for the lunch menu and for the dinner menu. And if you want to add a new item, you add it just by clicking here. Dinner menu is the same thing. I added one item here. Okay, and then so this is done. Let's not do the background image yet. Let's go on to the loyalty tab, or it's a reward program basically. And the idea here is to, the old manual cards for buy 10 sandwiches and you get one free, and then you get a stamp on it. Well, this is the same thing, but except it's on your mobile phone, and you carry that with you at all times, so you don't lose it really, unless you lose your mobile phone. But here what we want to do is let's add a loyalty program. It's really easy to do. Just click on it. You decide what header you want to have, and let's go to, let's see, let's choose the header that I already had. If I remember where it is. Okay, let me do that. Okay, so I have added the header, and then the reward text here I entered buy 10 dinners get one free. Okay, and that can be anything, and then I decided on 10 square count and the secret code that can be changed at any time. I put 1 2 3, it could be anything. and then I save changes, and I'll show you what the loyalty tab will look like. um, what I want to do here, I want to make sure that the header is cropped correctly, and perfect, excellent. So let's crop it, and what we want to do is um, maybe add an event, and then in the next video I'll show you how to do, actually I want to do this. Let's leave it at this. We've done 4 tabs for in this video. In the next video we'll do the events, and let's maybe we'll try to get through most of them in the next video, because these are very important as well. Okay, thank you. Tiziano Grifoni with mobileappforbiz.com. We'll see you in the next video.